WhatsApp Web is a useful extension of the popular messaging app, letting users access their chats on a computer. This feature bridges the gap between mobile and desktop communication, whether for work or personal convenience. Users can easily link their accounts and make the most of WhatsApp's features on a larger screen. GadInsiders compiled a guide on how to use WhatsApp Web. Setting it up is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Open a web browser on your computer and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. A QR code will be displayed on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your Android or iOS. Select Link a device from the Link Devices menu. Authenticate using your device's security method, such as fingerprint, face recognition, or PIN. Scan the QR code on the computer screen. This will link your WhatsApp account to the web browser. Your WhatsApp chats will now appear on the computer screen, allowing you to send messages, share files, and more. If you want to remove a device link from WhatsApp Web, the process is quick and simple. Open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the Link Devices section. View active sessions, in which a list of all devices currently linked to your WhatsApp account will appear. Tap on the device you wish to remove and select Log Out. This will immediately disconnect the session.